G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the lemon meringue martini. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, grab your shaker, fill it up with some ice, and we're going to pour 30 ml of vodka into your shaker. 15 ml of Contro, $15 ml of the limoncello, about 15 ml of simple syrup, about 20 ml of fresh lemon juice, and 15 ml of aquafaba, or you can use egg white if you like. Now, before we shake that, we're going to rim the martini glass with a sugar rim. So we're just going to put it into our new little contraption here, which actually puts the juice on the rim. Hasn't quite worked as well as I thought it would. Let's try again, hey? There we go. Beautiful. There it is. Now we're going to give the cocktail a good hard shake. Alrighty. Need a Hawthorne strainer, and we're going to strain directly into the glass. And it should finish up just below the sugar rim. And I'm going to garnish this one with a lemon 12. Alright, let's give it a quick little twirl. Beautiful. And there you have the lemon meringue martini. Almost forgot what it was then. Enjoy.